पहली क्लास में आपने देखा है कुछ बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन के क्वेश्चंस, एंड आई होप यू मस्ट हैव डन प्रैक्टिस आल्सो। आपने प्रैक्टिस भी किया होगा, क्योंकि जब तक आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे इंग्लिश बोलने की, इंग्लिश बोलना जो है वो पढ़ने से नहीं आता है, वीडियो देखने से नहीं आता है, सुनने से नहीं आता, इससे रेफरेंस मिलता है। क्योंकि जब तक आप अपनी जीभ को नहीं हिलाओगे कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होने वाला है, ठीक है। तो आप इन सारे क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करिए, सारे बेसिक क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप यहीं से इंग्लिश बोलना स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। अगले वीडियो की लिंक जो पिछला वीडियो है इसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी, आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। ये सारे बेसिक क्वेश्चंस हैं, ये देखिए, सुनिए, समझिए, और फिर आप घर पे भी आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो देर आर सम क्वेश्चंस आर रिटन हियर, देर आर 11 क्वेश्चंस, यहाँ पे 11 क्वेश्चंस हैं जिसके बारे में हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। सो फर्स्ट प्लीज टेल समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, कुछ अपने बारे में बताइए।
Yes, my name is Jasya Banu. I live in Bolapura, BKT, Lucknow. I have completed intermediate from Inter College, BKT Inter College. Nowadays, I am learning English from Aksar English Academy.
गुड। तो ये वीडियो जो है ये बेसिक लर्नर के लिए है। अगर आप एडवांस लर्नर हैं तो ये आप यहीं से मिस करके आप एडवांस वीडियो देखिएगा। ये बेसिक लर्नर के लिए, क्योंकि अगर एडवांस लर्नर हैं तो ये वीडियो आपकी मदद नहीं कर सकते हैं, आइडिया कुछ मिल सकता है आपको। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज? आपकी हॉबीज क्या है, आपको क्या करना अच्छा लगता है?
My hobbies are play badminton, listen song, read book.
My hobbies are playing badminton,
Listen song and
listening songs,
read book.
and read books.
Yes.
So which type songs do you listen?
Like that motivational.
I listen motivational songs,
I listen motivational song and sad.
emotional songs, sad songs.
Yeah.
Why do you listen sad songs?
I like.
You like sad songs. So
Yes.
when you listen sad songs, do you become sad?
No, only.
Only just for interest only.
Yes, sir.
There is no reason behind it.
No.
And you read books.
Yes, sir.
Which type books do you read?
Motivational and.
You can speak a little bit loudly, please.
Motivational book and stories, English stories book, like that Shakespeare books, Shakespeare writer books.
And self-help book, like which is your favorite book?
My favorite book is No Excuses.
It's a No Excuses book you are reading, and that is your favorite
Yes,
book.
sir.
Good. What did you learn from No Excuses book? What did you learn? क्या सीखा from No Excuses book?
I learned from No Excuses.
I have learned.
I have learned from No Excuses. Self-discipline is very important and management time. And I don't make excuses a lot of.
We should not make excuses.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you are making excuses, you should watch you should just read the book No Excuses, The Power of Self-Discipline. That is a very good book. Okay. And the next question, who is your best friend?
My best friend name is Kajal Bangi.
Where does she live?
She lives nearby my house.
So she lives nearby your home.
Yes.
What does she do now?
She is doing now.
She is doing?
She is doing now computer coaching.
So she is doing computer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And has she completed intermediate?
Yes, she has completed intermediate.
Okay. So she is not doing graduation.
She is doing graduation in private.
She is doing graduation from private colleges.
Yes, sir.
So do you talk in English with your best friend?
Sometime I talk English with my best friend.
Sometimes you talk. Does she speak in English?
Little bit she speak English.
She speaks English little bit.
Yes.
Okay, good. So you can teach her English?
Yes, sir. I don't
Do you
know.
like teaching?
Yes, I like teaching. Little bit, a lot of.
Okay. What do you want to become?
I want to become bank manager.
Bank manager you want to become. You want to earn more money.
No.
Hmm.
Yes.
So do you think bank manager earns more money? क्या आपको लगता है बैंक
No.
मैनेजर ज्यादा पैसा
Limited money.
They earn limited money.
Yes, sir.
So do you want to earn limited money or unlimited money?
Sir, I want to earn limited money.
And what do you want? You want to earn limited money, unlimited money? Unlimited money. So if you become bank manager, you cannot earn unlimited money.
Yes, sir.
So you should just you can become bank manager. After that you can think.
Yes.
आप सोच सकते हो क्या बनना है, what you can. But पहले एक पोस्ट तो मिलनी चाहिए, घर का
Yes.
खर्चा चले. Good. What is the best thing about your best friend? Best thing about your best friend?
Best thing,
Best quality of your best friend?
the best quality of my friend, she is caring all people.
She cares.
Yes, sir. She is
Everybody is.
She is very good in her studying.
Okay, good. Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher name is Kailash Tyagi, sir.
Where was he teaching? In which school was he teaching?
He teaching.
He was
He
teaching.
was teaching from BKT Inter College.
Okay. Which subject was he teaching?
He was teaching account.
He was teaching account.
Yes.
Okay, good. And which subject do you like most?
I like most accounts.
You like account most.
Yes.
So are you doing graduation?
Yes, sir.
Which course are you doing in your graduation?
I doing.
I am doing.
I am doing graduation in BA because.
You are doing BA.
Yes,
You
sir.
like accounts and you are doing BA. You.
Because sir, is my personal reason.
This is your personal reason.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next question number 4. Do you watch TV? Television? Do you watch?
Yes, I watch TV.
Which is your favorite program in TV?
My favorite program in TV, Urariya serial.
Which serial?
Urariya.
Which type serial is this? Urariya?
Yes, sir. This serial name is Urariya.
And do you all watch TV?
Yes, sir.
You watch TV?
Yes, sir.
What do you watch?
Web series and serials.
Which serial do you watch?
मेरे पास तुम हो.
मेरे पास तुम हो वो तो सही है बट विच सीरियल डू यू वॉच अच्छा दिस इज सीरियल नेम मेरे पास तुम हो दिस इज सीरियल नेम एंड यू वॉच दिस सीरियल हैव यू हर्ड द नेम ऑफ दिस सीरियल मेरे पास तुम हो
No.
नहीं हो
No, I have.
okay so do anything like related to learning do you watch anything on television learning programs is there any learning programs
Yes, sir. But I watch sometime movies, so I watch only one serial.
Urariya
And I was.
what is the means what is the we can say the purpose of showing this serial what is the theme of this serial
Sir, this series is theme. One girl, she become. She has become a best.
Okay, so we'll
best
talk
teacher.
later about this. First, we will cover, and then in the next time we will talk about. Good. The next question: at what time do you get up? कितने बजे उठती हो? At what time do you get up?
I get up 6 o'clock.
I get up at 6 o'clock. I get up at 6 o'clock. And at what time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 o'clock.
You sleep at 11 o'clock.
Yes.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep
I sleep for
for 7 to 8 years. 7 to 8 hours.
7 to 8 hours you
Yes,
sleep.
sir.
Good. Do you use alarm to get up?
No, I don't use.
You don't use alarm.
Yes,
You
sir.
just get up yourself.
Yes, sir.
And do you use alarm to get up?
No, sir.
You use alarm. At what time do you use alarm?
Sir, 5 a.m. and 6 a.m.
At 5 or 6 a.m. you use alarm. And at what time do you get up?
Sir, mostly 6 a.m.
You get up at 6. Means you start the alarm starts ringing at 5 and you get up at 6 o'clock. It takes 1 hour to get up. And do you use alarm? You don't use. Do you? You don't use alarm. You use alarm.
Yes, sir.
And do you use alarm? Okay. So we should use alarm or not?
No.
We should not use alarm. If you have your purpose, if you have your goal, burning goal, desire, you will get up yourself. You don't need alarm. जब कुछ गोल मकसद नहीं होता है तो पड़े रहते हैं फिर अलार्म बजती रहती है डिसमिस स्टार्ट स्लीपिंग अगेन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डू यू रीड न्यूज़पेपर
Yes, I read newspaper.
विच न्यूज़पेपर डू यू रीड
The Hindustan newspaper.
द हिंदुस्तान हिंदी न्यूज़पेपर
No, English newspaper.
तो हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स इज इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर
Yes, sir.
तो हिंदुस्तान और हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स
Hindustan Times.
एवरी डे यू डू यू रीड इन हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स
Yes, sir. Some hours.
सम आवर्स
Like that, 30 seconds.
30 minutes
Yes.
30 seconds 30 minutes
30 minutes.
so 30 minutes is not some hour is it 30 minutes
Half hours.
half hour
Yes, sir.
okay and do you read any Hindi newspaper
No.
full sentence
I don't read Hindi newspaper. Earlier I read Hindi newspaper.
earlier I used to read पढ़ा करते थे I used to read
Hindi newspaper.
Hindi newspaper now you read English newspaper
Yes.
why do you read English newspaper
Because I want to increase my English.
I want to improve my English
Yes, sir.
that's why I am reading
English newspaper.
English newspaper good next question number 8 how many members are there in your family आपकी family में कितने लोग हैं
There are 9 members in my family.
there are 9 members in my family
Members in my family.
who all are there
I have 2 brothers. I have
Two brothers.
Yes, I have 2 brothers. I have 4 sisters. Parents, mother and father, and grandmother. I have 1 sister-in-law.
and what does your father do
My father is a farmer and a tailor.
so do you help your father
Yes, I help my father.
do you know stitching
Little bit I know. Stitching.
little bit
Yes, sir.
what can you stitch What all the things can you stitch?
I stitch in.
I can stitch.
I can stitch salwar suit little bit.
Little bit. You are not expert.
Yes, I know. I'm not expert.
Is your father expert in
Yes,
stitching?
yes, sir. My
Your father is expert.
Yes, sir.
Good. And what does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
She is a homemaker. Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help my mother.
Does your mother scold you?
Yes, sometimes my mother scold me.
When did your mother scold you last time?
I think I didn't.
You don't remember?
Yes, I don't remember.
Okay, good. And do you scold your brother and sisters? You have any younger brother, sister?
No.
You are the youngest?
Yes, I am youngest.
So do your brother and sisters scold you? Do your brother scolds you? Do
No.
your brothers scold you?
Sometime my brother scold me.
And how many sisters do you have?
I have 4 sisters.
So do your sisters scold you?
Sometimes my sister.
Sometimes.
Yes.
And do you scold anyone? किसी को
No.
डांटती?
No.
क्योंकि
I am youngest.
you are the youngest, तो अब नीचे कोई पावर मिलती नहीं, कहाँ अपना एनर्जी निकालें?
Yes, sir.
You are the youngest one, सबसे छोटी हैं.
Yes, sir.
तो आप क्या करती हैं? How do you vent out your feeling? कैसे भड़ास निकालती हैं जब कोई डांटता है? How do you take out your feelings?
I'm starting weeping.
I start weeping.
Yes, sir.
तो आंसुओं की धारा से वो गुस्सा कम पड़ जाता है.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. Next, what makes you happy? आपको कैसे खुशी कैसे मिलती है? What makes you happy?
I make happy. I want to talk friend and parents.
So when I talk my friends and parents, I become happy.
I become happy.
Repeat.
When I talk parents and friends, when I become
I
happy.
become. When I talk my friends,
When I talk my friends and parents,
I become happy.
I become happy.
And what makes you unhappy? कैसे unhappy कैसे होते हो?
When my father and mother scold me, I become unhappy.
When your father and mother scolds you, you become unhappy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The last question: do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
Which type books do you read?
I like bio banking and account
Hmm.
and then special book.
So nowadays, how many hours are you studying? How many hours are you studying?
I studying.
I am studying.
I am studying in 2 to 3 hours.
I am studying 2 to 3
3
hours. Which subject do you study a lot? Means where you give more time?
I studying a lot. I am studying a lot of English.
English you study.
Yes.
So do you talk in English with your brother and sisters
Yes.
and with your friends?
Yes, I talk in English. My brother and my brother's sister and my sister and my friend Jagrat.
Okay, good. So did you like this class?
Yes, I like this class.
So I hope you all also must have liked this class. And it is just all the viewers, if you are just watching this video and you want to improve your English, आप इसी तरीके से practice कर सकते हो. And there is one more thing, if you want English speaking practice with me, the number is given on your screen. You can just make a call and you also can do English speaking practice with me. दैट आर पेड क्लासेस, क्योंकि इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमें इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस ज़रूरी होती है. कंटेंट तो ढेर सारा होता है, लेकिन इंग्लिश की जब तक आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश. सो इफ़ यू वांट इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस विथ मी और एनी ऑफ योर फ्रेंड वांट, सो यू कैन जस्ट कॉन्टैक्ट, द नंबर इज गिवन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. सो प्लीज़ गिव अ बिग हैंड्स. प्लीज